The world runs on information. That will never change. What is changing are the ways people work with it. More information is now generated, accessed, and shared, anytime, anywhere. At Ricoh, our focus has always been on partnering with people to help them manage and move the information that matters to them, efficiently, quickly. That will never change either. What is changing is how. We're adapting new solutions, innovating new products and services, improving the ways you work and collaborate. Ricoh is empowering digital workplaces, so today's super-connected workforce can easily and securely access the critical information they need and work smarter than ever before. Workers can now be equally productive thousands of miles from the office. A team of doctors can update, share, and review a patient's medical chart in real time. Law firms can shrink down a storage room full of files to something they hold in their hands. This is how Ricoh is empowering digital workplaces, innovating to evolve what we have been specializing in for over 80 years, helping you grow your business in our digital world, to solve complex challenges through better collaboration, to make your customers' operations more efficient, and ultimately increase your revenue and growth. Yes, Ricoh still transforms the way people work through technology, but we are much more than the machines we create. We're leaders in delivering innovative technologies and services that turn big ideas into reality for your workplace. And today, that means empowering digital workplaces to create smarter ways for you to work.